This is the Lutron single switch dimmer I used, so that I can turn the lights on and still be able to control them with a dimmable slider on the side, which is perfect for us. Replace it in this 3-outlet fixture and still keep our nice back plate. It fits the same as the other standard toggle switches and does a great job, especially with LED lights.
This is a standard LED bulb going from full bright to dim. We get a point where the overhead lights are almost out and the bottom lights start to flicker until they kind of hit a strobe right there at about 2/3 of the way down. And this is the same fixture replaced with EcoSmart DuoBright lights. They are the 85 watt equivalent lights on the 2 can lights and the 65 watt equivalent on the 3 center lights. The total there is 24 watts in the center, actual electricity, and 13 watts on each can light for another 26. Total of 50 watts in our circuit here. As we take it down, notice that it changes color automatically as I move the slider down on our dimmable lights. More of a soft glow. I can take it all the way down without flicker. You can really see it when it's coming back up. The yellow day glow turns to a bright white and a cool white.